Extra virgin olive oil is one of the best oils for protecting diabetes health due to its rich content of monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants, particularly polyphenol. These healthy fats help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, which is crucial since individuals with diabetes are at a higher risk of cardiovascular complications. Olive oil has also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid glucose spikes after meals. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into a balanced diabetes meal plan, as recommended by Diabetes Canada or the American Diabetes Association diet, can enhance metabolic health and support long-term blood sugar control. Studies have demonstrated that diets rich in olive oil, such as the Mediterranean diet, can significantly lower HbA1c levels, an important marker of blood sugar management. Individuals using Lantus insulin, Tresiba insulin, or an insulin pump can monitor their glucose responses with tools like the Dexcom G7 to see how olive oil affects post-meal blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil not only promotes stable blood sugar but also reduces the risk of chronic inflammation and heart disease, making it an essential component of a diabetes-friendly diet focused on long-term health. Avocado oil is another excellent choice for protecting diabetes health because of its high concentration of monounsaturated fats, which improve insulin sensitivity and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Avocado oil is also rich in antioxidants, vitamins E and K, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health, reduce oxidative stress, and promote overall metabolic function. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for cooking at high temperatures without degrading its healthy fats, which helps preserve its nutritional benefits. Including avocado oil in a diabetes meal plan can improve lipid profiles, lower LDL cholesterol, and support weight management, which are critical factors for people with type 2 diabetes. Individuals using blood sugar supplements, Lantus insulin, or an insulin pump can track how avocado oil impacts their glucose levels using continuous monitoring devices like the Dexcom G7. Its neutral flavor makes it versatile for dressings, marinades, and sautéing, making it easy to incorporate into daily meals to support both blood sugar stability and cardiovascular health. Regular use of avocado oil can lead to improved insulin function, better glucose metabolism, and enhanced overall health, making it a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Coconut oil, while somewhat controversial due to its high saturated fat content, can still play a role in protecting diabetes health when used in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Unlike long-chain saturated fats found in animal products, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently by the body. MCTs are quickly converted into energy rather than stored as fat, which may help improve insulin sensitivity and support weight management. Some studies suggest that MCTs can help reduce blood sugar levels and improve metabolic health, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. However, it's important to balance coconut oil intake with other healthy fats to avoid excessive saturated fat consumption, which can negatively impact heart health. For people managing diabetes with Lantus insulin, Tresiba insulin, or using an insulin pump, monitoring glucose levels with a Dexcom G7 can help determine how coconut oil affects post-meal blood sugar responses. Including small amounts of coconut oil in cooking or baking can provide energy-boosting benefits without significantly impacting blood sugar, supporting both metabolic health and overall well-being when used wisely. Flaxseed oil is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that offers significant benefits for diabetes health, particularly in reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of insulin resistance, which is common in type 2 diabetes. Flaxseed oil's anti-inflammatory properties help combat this issue, supporting better glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Additionally, flaxseed oil can help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, a major concern for people with diabetes. While flaxseed oil does not directly lower blood sugar levels, its impact on overall metabolic health makes it a valuable addition to a diabetes meal plan. For individuals using blood sugar supplements, Lantus insulin, or managing their condition with an insulin pump, tracking the effects of flaxseed oil with a Dexcom G7 can provide insights into its role in supporting blood sugar stability. Flaxseed oil is best used cold, in salad dressings or smoothies, to preserve its delicate omega-3 fats, helping promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support overall diabetes management. Enjoying the content? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Join our community and never miss out on new tips, tricks, and exciting content. Thank you for your support. Walnut oil is another heart-healthy oil that supports diabetes health thanks to its high content of polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support healthy blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of walnut oil has been linked to improved endothelial function, which promotes better blood flow and reduces the risk of cardiovascular complications, a common concern for people with diabetes. Including walnut oil in a diabetes meal plan, as recommended by the American Diabetes Association diet, can enhance metabolic health and lower the risk of heart disease. Its rich, nutty flavor makes it a great addition to salads, vegetables, and grain dishes. For individuals managing type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes, using Lantus insulin, Tresiba insulin, or an insulin pump, monitoring glucose responses with the Dexcom G7 can help determine how walnut oil fits into their overall diet. Regular use of walnut oil can support blood sugar stability, reduce cholesterol levels, and promote long-term health, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Sesame oil, particularly unrefined sesame oil, is rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lignans, compounds that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and support diabetes health. The polyunsaturated fats in sesame oil help reduce blood sugar levels by enhancing glucose metabolism and lowering inflammation, both of which are critical for managing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, sesame oil has been shown to improve lipid profiles by reducing LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL cholesterol, supporting heart health, a major concern for individuals with diabetes. Including sesame oil in a diabetes meal plan can help stabilize blood sugar levels, especially when used as part of a balanced diet rich in fiber and lean proteins. For people using Lantus insulin, Tresiba insulin, or an insulin pump, tracking glucose responses with a Dexcom G7 can provide valuable insights into how sesame oil affects their metabolism. Its distinctive flavor makes it ideal for dressings, stir-fries, and marinades, supporting both metabolic health and overall well-being for individuals with diabetes. Canola oil is often recommended for people with diabetes because it is low in saturated fat and high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help improve insulin sensitivity and support blood sugar health. Canola oil also contains alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties, beneficial for reducing the chronic inflammation associated with type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that incorporating canola oil into a diabetes meal plan can help lower HbA1c levels, improve lipid profiles, and support cardiovascular health. For individuals managing diabetes with Lantus insulin, Tresiba insulin, or using an insulin pump, monitoring glucose levels with the Dexcom G7 can help assess how canola oil impacts post-meal blood sugar responses. Its mild flavor and high smoke point make it versatile for cooking, baking, and salad dressings, providing a heart-healthy fat source that supports stable blood sugar levels and overall metabolic health. Hemp seed oil is an emerging superfood that offers numerous benefits for diabetes health due to its ideal ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support insulin sensitivity. The anti-inflammatory properties of hemp seed oil can improve glucose metabolism and reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, hemp seed oil contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which has been shown to support nerve health, an important consideration for people with diabetes at risk of neuropathy. Including hemp seed oil in a diabetes meal plan can promote cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, and support stable blood sugar levels. For individuals using blood sugar supplements, Lantus insulin, or managing their condition with an insulin pump, tracking the effects of hemp seed oil with a Dexcom G7 can help optimize glucose control. Hemp seed oil is best used cold in dressings, smoothies, or drizzled over vegetables to preserve its nutritional benefits, supporting both metabolic health and overall well-being. Macadamia nut oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, making it a heart-healthy choice that supports diabetes health by improving insulin sensitivity and promoting stable blood sugar levels. Its high concentration of oleic acid helps reduce inflammation, lower LDL cholesterol, and support healthy glucose metabolism. Including macadamia nut oil in a diabetes meal plan can enhance metabolic health, support weight management, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is a major concern for people with diabetes. Its buttery flavor and high smoke point make it ideal for sautéing, roasting, and salad dressings. Individuals managing type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes treatment with Lantus insulin, Tresiba insulin, or using an insulin pump can monitor how macadamia nut oil affects their glucose levels with the Dexcom G7 to fine-tune their diet. Regular consumption of macadamia nut oil can improve blood sugar control, support heart health, and contribute to overall well-being, making it a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet focused on long-term health. Grapeseed oil is high in polyunsaturated fats and vitamin E, offering antioxidant properties that support diabetes health by reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. The healthy fats in grapeseed oil can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve lipid profiles, reducing the risk of heart disease, a major concern for people with diabetes. Including grapeseed oil in a diabetes meal plan, as recommended by Diabetes Canada, can support blood sugar control and enhance metabolic health. For individuals using blood sugar supplements, Lantus insulin or an insulin pump, monitoring glucose responses with a Dexcom G7 can help determine how grapeseed oil fits into their overall diet. Its mild flavor and high smoke point make it versatile for cooking and salad dressings, providing a heart-healthy fat source that promotes stable blood sugar levels and supports long-term health in individuals managing diabetes. Now you can keep watching and discover even more health tips.